Want more work and higher pay? Get your substitute teacher permit. In this video, we will take you through how to get your permit in just 10 days after you submit your permit application. These are the items you'll need to complete. Fill out 2 forms, get fingerprinted, create an account with the CTC, and send official transcripts. Then, you'll submit all your docs on Scoot's substitute permit request form. Lastly, you'll pay an application fee of $100 and then wait to receive your permit number in an email from the CTC. Before we explain the steps in detail, check that you meet the requirements. You must hold a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university. A bachelor's degree or higher currently satisfies both the degree requirement and basic skills requirement. Now let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Complete the application for Credential Authorizing Public School Service. Here are the fields you need to complete. Complete all highlighted fields in Section 1. Skip Sections 2, 3, 4, and 5. Answer all questions in Sections 6 and 7. Skip Section 8. Lastly, complete the highlighted fields in Section 9 and sign the document. Step 2. Complete the CTC's live scan form. Complete the sections outlined in red. This live scan is for the CTC, not Scoot. To be hired by Scoot and apply for your permit requires 2 separate live scans, one for Scoot and this one for the CTC. Step 3. Get fingerprinted at a nearby live scan location. Go to the Attorney General's website to access a complete list of live scan locations. Put in your zip code to find the nearest location. Check if you can walk in or need an appointment and plan to head in at your earliest convenience. For this live scan, you will need to pay about $75 out of pocket. Step 4. Create an account with the CTC. Go to the CTC's website using Google Chrome. Click CTC Online Login. Click on the Create Educator Account link. Enter your Social Security number and date of birth. Double-check your SSN and date of birth information is accurate before hitting the OK button. If it is not accurate, this will cause problems for you when the LA County of Education attempts the recommendation process. If you do not currently have a user profile set up with the CTC, the system will ask you to re-enter your SSN and date of birth to create a new account. Follow the prompts and create a user ID and password that you will remember. You need to access this account to complete the permit application process and to renew the permit online the following year. You can find these instructions to create a CTC account on our Notion page, How to Apply for a California Substitute Teacher Permit. Step 5. Request your school to send official transcripts to our credentialing contact either by email or snail mail. We recommend using email. Contact your school's registrar's office to send your transcripts directly from your university to this email address. Please list Education for Change Public Schools as the recipient on the order. By mail, your transcripts need to be sent directly to you and then mailed to this address. Step 6. Complete the online substitute permit request form. On this form, you will upload digital copies of your completed 41-4 and 41-LS form. You will also confirm that you completed all previous steps, that you got fingerprinted, submitted transcripts, and created a CTC account. Once you upload your files and submit your application, our credentialing contact will be notified and begin to review and process your application. Step 8. The last step. Once your application has been approved, you'll receive a final confirmation email titled Notification of Credential Issuance with your permit document number. Forward this email to your Scoot education consultant. We will verify your permit number on the CTC lookup and add the permit to your profile. You'll be ready for more work and more pay. If you have any questions, please contact your Scoot education consultant.